Do you lose your Saudi National Bank ATM card, or you give it to someone and you don't want him or her to spend your money? Here's how to froze it for some time, and I will show you step by step how to unfroze it. Let's get started. Once open your Saudi National Bank app, tap on current account. Now tap on my card, and now tap on stop and reissue my card. Now tap on froze card. Tap process. Now you will receive OTP. Once you receive it, start tapping it. And now your bank has automatically froze. Tap on finish. Now go back and I will show you how to unfroze it. Now click on my card again. Now click on unfroze card. Receive OTP once again. Once you receive it, start tapping it and your card will be automatically unfroze. Now your card has unfroze. Tap on finish and we take you to the memo. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.